I've got myself a new camping cook set. Check it out. This is a Stanley cook set, and you know me, we're gonna take this and cook some steak, and we're gonna do it in this beautiful beach, San Onofre, which is about 40-50 miles south from here. I'm here in Newport Beach. I'm actually gonna go sailing right now, and then after sailing, I'm gonna head down to San Onofre. So we won't get there till later in the evening. All right, let's do some sailing, and then we'll check back in after that at the campsite.
Girlfriend labor.
All right, it's time to sit back, hang out with Toby, drink some coffee, and enjoy the view.
I wish we could get wheat out of the house so I didn't have to worry about it. Is it done? Honey, is it done?
Oh, jeez. Oh. No. Two shot. Here's our giant pile of wood for later. Toby's relaxing in the element.
Yeah, boy.
You enjoying the element? Relaxing? Where's your good boy? Nothing like a big bowl of ramen for breakfast. I slept super good in the element last night, but there's like trains and there's a highway right there that go by pretty much all night long. So all night long, you're constantly hearing that noise. But anyway, we just had breakfast and we're gonna go down to the beach to enjoy for a little bit. And then after that, we're gonna cook our meal in our new camp set. I'm super excited for that. I know this hat is ridiculous, but it's actually quite sunny. But we're finally ready to test out our Camp Pro Cook set, and I'm super excited. So first things first, let's do a quick unboxing and see exactly what comes in this kit. So when you buy this kit, it's a really small box. So inside of the box, looks like we have a pot, another pot, a pan, spatula, spoons, looks like a mat, and then this looks like some trays that you can rest it on so it doesn't burn your hand, so like pan handles. Yeah, looks pretty sweet. Let's dig into it. Let's see what's going on in this box. I really liked it because it was smaller, you know, and especially if you're in a small element like I am, you want to save all the space that you can. All right. Boom. So that's super sick. It's like all kind of contained here in this one little small package. Just tear into it. Oh, that's really convenient, so everything doesn't fly away. That's really smart. Look at that. Feels nice and sturdy and strong. Don't need that. Oh, check that out. That's super cool. It just like unfolds. And then that's your cutting board. Nice. That's very unique. And then let's see what else we got going on in here. It's got a nice little frying pan. It feels nice and heavy, so that's cool. And then this collapses out. Very, very nice. And then, whoops, It should collapse back in. So you save a ton of space with that. Love that. And then let's see what else we got. Yeah, this looks like it's a little smaller cook set. Very cool. And inside of here, must be the spatula. That's very nice. Look at that. Talk about saving space. That's super sick. Then here's a spoon. That feels a little counterintuitive. That, well, I guess it's not with the button on the back. Nice. I love it. And then this looks like it collapses on itself as well. Somehow. There we go. Boom. Look at that. And then of course we have the big pot. And the inside of the big pot we have the pan holders, so you don't burn your floor or your hands. Epic. Very cool. So let's put this thing to the test. Let's cook some meat up. Got this guy. Looks good to go. Let's get the meat. And looks like we got ribeye, nice and sliced, ready to grill. Okay, let's cut this open. Yummy. Oh yeah, that looks good. Some salt on that bad boy. I don't have any pepper, you guys, so we're just gonna have to deal with just salty. All right, it's working well, it's heating up. Let's give it a few seconds. All right, Chelsea came through with the garlic butter, so now we're gonna have ourselves some real steak. She's going through with the nice salad using the same Stanley pot, very nice. So while that's cooking, you can look out here. It's like this crazy battleship, can you guys see that? We're right next to Camp Pendleton, which is right over in this area. And it's a military base, so they always have like military boats, and sometimes you see helicopters come across here.
Trying to get people hungry?
Yes. That's the plan.
Exactly what he's doing.
All right, let's give it a try. Pretty good. A little chewy. Not bad, not bad. So that little cooking setup worked out really well. If you're interested in getting one, I'll leave it down below in the description so you can find it easily. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.